Wow, this place is gorgeous. I can't imagine. I've always wanted to come to the Australian outback, and here I finally am. There's kangaroos, there's emus, there's more wildlife than I've ever seen before. I wonder what I can do. Maybe these folks can help me. Hi everyone, I just got off the train. What's there to do around here?
Welcome, mate. Welcome to Barcadine. This is actually, you've picked the perfect day because we're all here discussing what's great about this region. 5 towns. And for example, Aramac, the world's largest outdoor sculpture trail.
Hang on. I hope he's here for more than a week. We've got 5 towns and every one of them has got something in it. It's really cool.
Wow, 5 towns? Where should I start?
Well, if you're around next weekend, we actually have our drive-in movie theatre going in Jericho.
It's the smallest drive-in in the Southern Hemisphere.
Yeah, next weekend we're actually playing Elemental and Planet of the Apes.
2 movies for $15, cheaper than on the coast.
But there's so much more than that. You should really come and have a seat and look at our brochure with us.
Mum, can we go? Can we go?
Of course we can, no worries.
Can we have dinner there too?
Yeah, we can have hot dogs, chippies, lollies, soft drink. Yay!
Yay!
We can even go early and go see the Crystal Templars.
Yay! Can we go?
Yeah, definitely, that'll be awesome.
Hey Mum, can we go?
Of course, sounds like a great idea, but not this time because we're going to the Lake Dunn Sculpture Trail.
Oh, really? Is that the one that starts in Aramac?
That's right, it's the longest outdoor sculpture trail in the world.
Really?
Wow.
That sounds really cool.
Yeah.
We're going to stop halfway at Lake Dunn and take some great photographs.
Cool.
What are we going to have at Lake Dunn?
We'll have a swim, I'll pack a picnic and just have a relaxing time.
That sounds great.
A sculpture trail? I've never heard of one. That sounds really cool. Should I start with that?
Oh, absolutely. Look, you'll be amazed what we have in this region. 5 towns, 5 unique towns. We've got Jericho, we've got Muttaburra. Yeah, Muttaburra, it's the geographical centre of Queensland.
And don't forget the dinosaur.
That's exactly right, Muttaburrasaurus. It was discovered there many, many years ago. And actually one of the very first in the world of that kind.
Well, he says he came on the train. He would have stopped in at Alpha, the gateway to the west. He needs to go back and see their murals. They also have sculptures.
Yeah, we've also got a lot of stuff in Jericho as well. So we've got a little village that's set up in the tourist centre, and then we've also got Red Bank, where you can go camping. There's actually quite a lot of stuff in Jericho.
You should really start your journey in Barcadine.
Well, I reckon you should go to the ski park. I'm awesome at the ski park.
Yeah, man, you're so rad with those tricks. I can't believe what you're doing.
Yeah, and over there, there's a area where you can sit and get food, and there's delicious food over there.
Sounds great.
Well, you should go to the Heritage Centre. There's ducks, there's birds, there's really cool buildings, and this used to be the old school, and there's even a history that you could possibly learn.
I'd love to learn about the history of Barcadine.
Well, those are cool, but what's really cool is the clock that is just turning 100 years old.
Wow, that sounds great. I want to do it all. I'm going to have to extend my stay.
You will, absolutely. Base yourself in Barcadine. It's the jewel of the crown. Back in 1891, the Shearers' Strike, the Great Shearers' Strike, where it was celebrated for the Australian working men and women. Also, we've got a international ski park, which is 2.5 kilometres in circumference. Took over 6 months to fill. It's all here. Observation deck. It's a great place. Heritage Centre. Everything you need to know about our heritage, about the working men and women.
What else?
Look, I don't think you know, but Barcadine was actually named after a castle in Scotland. So you wouldn't think this, right? Out in the outback, Scotland. One place you've got to go to is Barcadine Historical Museum, because it's got everything for the whole region. Tells you about Scotland, like links everything. And it's just, like, it's a must-do. You start there and it'll tell you about Jericho, Aramac, Muttaburra, Alpha. Every town is represented. So go there. If you get there on a Sunday, once a month, they have the mini trains and the whole town turns up.
And I know too. Walter Chev, he's coming to Barcadine. He's going to be the first talking Chev vintage car in Australia. That's right. And I'm just thinking, kids, we could take you guys in Walter down to Jericho to the greatest little drive-in theatre.
That would be amazing.
It would be amazing.
Could you take it to Muttaburra? Would it go that far?
Absolutely, go to the centre of Queensland. Why not?
What about the Tree of Knowledge?
Yeah, you should totally go to the Tree of Knowledge. It's amazing.
The Tree of Knowledge. I think I've heard of it. What's that all about?
Yeah, you would have seen as you go off the train there, the Tree of Knowledge with the right next to the train station with the box around it.
It's a great place. It's about 6.5 stories high, and it's a birthplace of the Australian Labor Party.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, try and go there in the afternoon. Like, it's good, you can see the whole structure, but it's beautiful at night.
It is. It takes a beautiful photo at night. The silhouette is the original canopy of the tree at night.
Oh, that's really cool. What's this about a white bull I hear?
Oh yeah, I know. Captain Starlight. He went and stole all of these cattle from around this area, and one of them was this white bull. And then he went and took these cattle to Adelaide where he sold them. But then he eventually was caught up because of this white bull, because somebody in Aramac recognised it, and then he was in big trouble.
I see it.
Oh, my favourite bull is like the bull in front of the bank called Bankable. Haha, that's a good pun, isn't it? My favourite bull is named the Teacher Bull because it's in front of the school.
Oh, nice. So there's bulls all over town.
Yeah, in Aramac.
Are you interested in bird life?
Birds, yes. I love birds.
Well, we've just got the place not far from here called Lara Wetlands. It's actually on a station.
And it's got thermal hot springs.
And also, did you know there's 127 species of birds?
Wow, 127.
Yeah, like amateurs and professional bird watchers from all around the world come out there because of this.
That sounds incredible. I'd love to get some photos.
You can go canoeing there as well and kayaking.
And in wintertime, you can still go swimming because the temperature of the water is 38 degrees.
38 degrees?
Yeah, it's a must-do.
Okay.
You can also camp out there and sleep out there.
That sounds like there's tons to do out in Laura Wetlands.
Yeah, you can just stay there for a really long time.
It's a real outback experience.
It is, and the sunsets are just amazing out there. The best in the outback.